everything just shook. We thought it was an earthquake.
We heard the noise first, and then everything like jolted a few times, and then there was another noise.
Yeah, so we went out onto the balcony, and there's people just shouting, you should get out of the building.
It's going to be coming this way, you're going to be right in the way of it.
Okay, I'm
right, can I ask you?
Yeah.